Here we have a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Cheshire 2 ceiling fan, which is installed in my grandma's bedroom. This used to be my aunt's house because it's not my aunt's house anymore. They just moved to Bay City. And also, this fan, it was still here. And this fan was in brushed nickel, I think. Must be brushed nickel. All those antique brass. Well, the blades are dirty, and there's a Harbor Breeze logo. Okay, we will start this demonstration right now. Okay, let's go get right here. First, the light. There's low. It's not even a 2-speed ceiling fan. Is this really a 2-speed fan? Yeah, maybe it's not even low anymore. We'll put it on medium. This fan completely is not even working on low. Well, I think it works on low, but this is actually low. Yeah, this fan needs to be fixed because it's not broken. It's actually still on 2-speed. There's supposed to be medium or high. Well, it's a little bit noisy on high. Get up here. Oh no, it's not even noisy. Yeah, it's actually noisy. Yeah, let's go see medium still works. I think that's medium. Yeah, this fan is completely mixed the speeds, which is not very good. Let's go do the final demonstration. First, the light. Yeah, I think that's all the video, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.